We divide 695 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 5 and it is 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 0. So 695 divided by 5 is 139. So this much for today and thanks for watching.